Here's an app that will send targeted traffic to your website. It's completely free to use and it works on iOS devices and on Android. So I'm going to show you how to get the app, how to put it on your phone. It's easy to do. Anyone can do this. This should be on your radar and part of your marketing mix. I'm going to show you how to use it step by step. It's incredibly simple. So let's check it out. It's called Hello Network. So to get to this page, you just type in hello.com. Very easy to use. I'm going to tell you exactly why I think you should be using this in a minute. But there, it's going to have a call to action and ask you to download the app. So it's going to take you to this page. And there it says that it's now available in India. Here are all the locations that the app is available. So USA, Canada, Australia, UK, Ireland. And if for whatever reason it's not available in your country, you can scroll down here and sign up for an invite for when they do launch. So good stuff there. So let me explain why I think this is such a good app to be using. Because if we go to the inspiration page on this website, if we go down here, this really leaps out at me. So it says, Hello is the first social network built on loves, not likes. Hello makes it easy for you to connect with people who share your passions. Let's think about that. You know that the Profit Copilot tagline is profit from your passion. I believe that we perform best as entrepreneurs when we get involved in a niche that we feel passionate about. That has certainly been true for me and many of my students. So this matches that belief perfectly. I'll show you exactly how to use this app. It is really simple, but let me show you something else before we download it. We have a page here. It says Best of Hello, and it says this week's featured jots. So there you can see that people are posting content, and look at this. The content that they're posting isn't anything earth-shattering. It's not particularly revolutionary. It seems to be just interesting, regular content that anyone can publish. And here we can see that it's almost everyday stuff. We're going to go into this in a little bit more detail, but why would you want to get featured here? Well, it's exposure. It's going to put you and your message in front of lots more people. Now, this app has got a very large user base, so it's going to help you to get in front of all of those people for free. So let me show you how to get featured on this section before we actually go ahead and start using the app. So it says here how to be chosen as a winner. If we click on that, it's just going to take us to a Medium page, and it says introducing the best of Hello. So they choose a winner every other week. It actually gives you tips that will help you to get selected. So the first one it says is be original. It says jot your creations, ideas and experiences. Don't steal something you found online. That's really important for this app. And then it says share the little things. You don't need to do anything extravagant to get featured. Jot a moment you love, a creation you're working on, or even just a thought that is on your mind. And then it says get creative, unique. So we're seeing a theme here. They don't want you to just take stuff that you found on the internet. They want you to actually create something yourself. And that is actually a really important lesson to learn in entrepreneurship. So anyone can take stuff that they find elsewhere on the internet. If you're one of my students, you'll know that I talk about the do it for real method. And that is because when you do it for real, you actually do achieve real success. Let's scroll down to what do I win? It says each winner's jot will be featured on the Hello app and will appear on hello.com. So they're also going to give you a few Hello coins. Now, I don't know too much about that stuff, but I do know that the exposure you can get from this app is pretty good. So if you just search for it on the App Store or Google Play, it will show you a page like this. So there, it's got all the information that you need to know, what type of devices it will run on, what you need to make it work. Now, the guy who's built this has a history of building popular social media networks. So I believe that you are in good hands on this network. I think that they are going to invest more in developing it, making it a really good resource for people to use if they have a passion to share. So what you need to do is really zero in on your niche. I'll show you exactly how to do that. It's very easy. And then share content that is going to be of interest to that particular audience. Now, this app has got loads of groups. Practically anything you can think of is covered on this app. I've really done a bit of testing on it. I'm really impressed with the level of groups that they've got available. So what I'm going to show you how to do is find them, join them, and then share your content there. It's so simple. I encourage you to just get started with this and start driving more traffic to your website for free. So let's head over to my phone and I'll show you now. Okay, so here we are. This is the app. And there you can see I've uploaded a profile picture. You might want to do that because that is going to give you a level of credibility on this platform or any other social media network you use. So you can show people that you're a real person. So when you sign up and you open up the app, you will land on this page. Now we've got a few options here. We've got friends. So if we click on that, there you can see that you can send friend requests or invite friends if you don't have any. As you can see, I don't have any on this platform. There we've got personas. This is really interesting. So here you can add your interests. So if we scroll down here, we can choose from a long list. Oops, there's a text message. We can see a long list of interests that might be relevant to you. And there you can see I've added a couple. So I've added coffee lover. So you can add as many as you want to here. So I might want to add that I'm also interested in entrepreneur. There you can see I've selected that one. And this is going to determine what kind of content you get on your feed. I'll show you that in a second. So we can actually drill down further by going to these icons down here and then choosing which type of content to see. So here you can see I've chosen coffee lover, I'm a cat lover, ideas, I think that's entrepreneur, yep, and then nerd, geeky stuff, and then music as well. So that might be a good starting point for you so you can get the type of content that you're interested in. Let's go back. So at the top here we have, let me show you. So let me move this record icon thingy. So here we have some buttons here. If we go with this one, just click on that. There you're going to see the groups that I'm a member of. Now I've only joined one and it is for digital marketing. There you can see it's got over 3,000 members. If we have a look at that group and see what's going on, here you can see that people are sharing their content in this group. Now let me go back a second. Here we have this search icon. If we click on that and if we type in whatever your niche might be, so let's say you're interested in health, if we type health in and then search, here it's going to bring back, hopefully if it's working, a whole heap of groups that you can join. I mean, check this out. So this group, Fitness Foodies, 3,000 members. This one for yoga, 300 members. 300 members. If we could scroll down and just look at how many groups exist. Let's go into the yoga one. So can we see what's going on? Some of the posts are getting pretty decent engagement. I mean, this one has got 25 likes and 4 comments. Some not doing so well, but some are doing okay. And that's a pretty small group. That's fine. Let's go have a look at marketing because I want to show you how to actually use these groups. Now you can publish on your own profile. I'll show you that in a second. Here for marketing, we've got some pretty big groups. I mean, that one's got over 1,000 members, 3,000 members. Let me click on this because I am a member of this group. So there you can see people are just posting content, sharing links to their websites. And then if we go down here, if we click on, let me move this out of the way for you. So if we click on this icon, this yellow icon, click on that. Now we've got options. We can go straight to posting a link, text, image, or photo. So let's say you want to post a link, you want to share some content. Let's click on that. And there you just paste in a link to your website there, and it will automatically pull an image and title from your linked website. And then you will be able to publish that directly on this platform in front of your target audience. That's pretty cool. But there's another way of using this. So if we go to profile, here, the hand icon, if we click on that, there we're going to have these icons again. So you can choose specifically what type of content your feed displays here. So here I'm seeing a mix of everything. So you can see I'm interested in music, specifically guitars. So it's showing me guitar relevant content. Again, I'm interested in coffee. So if we scroll down, you can see it's showing me coffee pictures. And if we keep going, there it's got some geeky, nerdy stuff going on. Just keep scrolling down. So that's my feed, and pictures of cats as well, of course. Now, how do you publish on here? So you can get your content in front of the people who are interested in that specific niche too. So here, again, with this yellow icon, if we click on that, we have these options again. So we can post a link, text, image, photo. You've seen this before. Now, if you are serious about driving traffic to your website, I'm going to give you the traffic methods that I never share on YouTube. I'm going to give them to you for free when you go to profitcopilot.com/traffic. Grab that. It will not cost you a penny. And if you found this useful, give it a thumbs up below, subscribe to the channel too, and hit that little notification bell so you never miss an update from me. And I will hopefully see you again in a couple of days' time. Take care.